Hello everyone, this is Timur from easyhypnosis.ca. First things first, when you listen to this recording, please do not drive or operate heavy machinery. Find a space for yourself. It would be best if you do this exercise sitting, both feet on the floor, legs uncrossed, arms uncrossed. Take a few moments to claim the space for yourself. Settle in, settle down. The exercise that we're gonna do is called 3-point attention. It was originally developed by Dr. Stephen Gilligan as an anti-anxiety technique because all the churning of the mind can be released by this grounded, peripherally open focus. And the first thing I'm gonna ask you to do is set an intention for this exercise. It can be something like, I want to improve my relationship with this friend, or I want to find a peace of mind in my workplace, or maybe I want to sleep better. And once you set this intention, the next thing I will ask you to do is to concentrate on your breathing. And the breathing pattern that I suggest to my clients has 4 steps. You breathe in, make a pause. You breathe out, make a pause. It's like a square with 4 sides. Breathe in, pause, breathe out, pause. Breathe in, pause, breathe out, pause. Breathe in, pause, breathe out, pause. And once this rhythm is settled in, you can pay attention to different parts of your body. Maybe notice how your muscles start to relax. Because breathing always affects other parts of the body. When we change our breathing pattern, the body reacts. And then please bring your awareness to your feet. Maybe scan your legs, starting from your feet, up, going up. Scan your torso, scan your shoulders, scan your arms, hands, and once you get to the hands, please pay close attention to your hands. They will be the first 2 points of attention, and we will add a 3rd point a little bit later. So concentrate on both of your hands. Relax. Again, concentrate on both of your hands. Relax. Begin to feel both hands equally and separately at the same time. And you can alternate this concentration and relaxation for a few more moments. And maybe imagine both of your hands as hands of light. I don't know what color you will imagine. It can be in golden color, maybe blue or green. And maybe imagine your hands as being two spheres of light expanding. And once you have these 2 points of attention, you can add a third point, which can be located either inside your body, maybe your belly mind or your lower back, or it can be located somewhere outside your body in front of you. Some imaginary point outside of your body. And while maintaining the connection with your hands, please add the third point of attention to complete this triangle, and let your attention open, widen, and you can realize how your mind is opening to this widened attention, to this triangle. Open your focus, open it into this triangle. And while you concentrate on this triangle, please bring your intention that you set in the beginning. What I want to create is. And the question is, can you think about your intention and keep this widened attention in your triangle at the same time? Yes, you can. And during the day, if you find yourself worrying too much, talking to yourself too much, bring your attention to your 2 hands. Extend it to the third point. Widen your attention to this triangle. Open this generative trance field where your other mind, your unconscious mind, can search for the solutions to your problems. You can take a few more moments, continue enjoying this relaxed state. And very gently and slowly, at your own pace, come back to your normal awakened state. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes if your eyes were closed. Look around you with a big smile. Thank you. It was Timur from easyhypnosis.ca. I wish you the very best in your life. Bye.